Go double! Get her done! Oh yeah! Oh my gosh, straighten engine. That was easy. Well done, Josh. You washed the car, eh?
We're watching you.
He'll blitz through it. Look at the height alone. He's never done anything before.
Oh, fuck. I got behind him and I can see him like... Yeah.
I thought with a full rub like that he'd
We bought it a week ago. Told him to buy one. We went out. Over the fucking roof. Did it look alright when I went through?
Yeah.
That's cool then.
You didn't do it like a master, but...
I get fucked, cunt.
You went too quick.
If you go in and fast to begin with, then back off.
Makes it easier.